Join Daisy and Benny on their adventure of friendship and fun. Once upon a time, in a sunny meadow, lived a cheerful bunny named Benny. Benny loved to play, but he often played alone. One day, he saw a lovely butterfly named Daisy fluttering by. Benny waved and shouted, "Hello there!" Daisy landed softly next to Benny, smiling brightly. "Would you like to play with me?" asked Benny. "Oh, yes," chirped Daisy. "I love to play." They decided to play hide and seek in the meadow. Benny found Daisy hiding behind a big, colorful daisy. After many games, they felt happy and giggly. They shared stories about their favorite things. Benny shared his love for carrots and hopping. Daisy shared her love for the beautiful flowers. Suddenly, they decided to create a flower crown together. "This will be the best crown ever," Benny squealed. As they placed the crown on Benny's head, they giggled. Daisy then wore the crown and twirled around. They danced under the warm sun, feeling so happy. From that day on, they were the best of friends. And they played together every sunny day.